Chào cả nhà, hello guys, I am Nina Tran Lee. Welcome to Soul Sim Yum Kitchen. This is where I prepare food that touches my family soul, is simple to make and yummy to eat. Today, I am going to share with you how to make Korean Galbi, also known as Korean BBQ short ribs. Korean Galbi is grilled beef short ribs that are marinated in a sweet Korean BBQ sauce. In this recipe, I am using LA-style short ribs, which are the flanken cuts that the ribs are cut thin across the bone. Korean Galbi is my go-to dinner meal because it's never failed to impress my family with its superior taste in both flavors and textures. It is best to grill the marinated short ribs over charcoal. Alternatively, a gas grill or a griddle over stovetop works well too. Since I don't have either one, I often grill my LA-style short ribs using my superwave oven to save energy and cleaning time. To ensure my Korean barbecue short ribs are sizzling hot with amazing aroma before serving, I pan fry them for 1 minute to get the charcoal grill marks along with loads of savory barbecue sauce. Anyhow, let's get started. Here are the main ingredients to make Korean Galbi. We will need beef short ribs or boneless beef chuck short ribs. Here, I have LA-style beef short ribs, which I bought at Korean market. To tenderize the meat, we will need Asian pear. We will also need onion, garlic, ginger, and green onion. For seasonings, we will need Japanese sesame oil. I like this brand because it is pure sesame oil with wonderful aroma. If you use a different brand, make sure to smell and taste it first because some brands are way too powerful in both aroma and bitter taste that the oil actually ruins the entire dish. Instead of using dry syrup or corn syrup, I opt to use raw honey for a healthier choice. For salty flavor, we will need soy sauce. And because I am a Vietnamese, I know adding a touch of fish sauce into the marinade will enhance the flavor up a notch. So here, I will be using a touch of fish sauce. We need to soak the ribs in very cold water to draw out as much blood as possible. This step will take about 45 minutes, but it will give our short ribs a wonderful aroma and clean taste. First, fill the bowl with very cold water to cover the meat. When the water becomes red after 15 minutes, drain out the red water and fill the bowl with new cold water. Do this a few times until the water is clear and the short ribs are no longer bright red. Rinse and drain the short ribs in the colander. While waiting for this process, we can prepare the other ingredients. We need to pat the ribs dry with paper towels. Since my kids love to eat around the bones area, I need to remove the hard chewy tissues around the bones. Asian pear, also known as apple pear, is very juicy and it is used widely in Korean cooking as a tenderizer and a sweetener. We may use box pear, but we need to double the amount as box pear is not juicy nor sweet. Since Asian pear can stay fresh in the fridge for many weeks, I always stock up Asian pear. Anyhow, we can pour the whole mixture in and mix both sides of the ribs with our hand. However, I prefer to do it this way to ensure I have enough for all ribs. Once done, cover the container with plastic food wrap and leave it in the fridge for 1 hour. In the meantime, let's prepare the marinade. This is optional, but I always discard this excess liquid before I add the marinade mixture. First, we need to reserve some marinade for basting, so take out 1/4 cup of marinade to save for basting later. Again, we can pour the whole marinade mixture in and massage both sides of the ribs with our hand, or you can do it my way. Once done, cover the container with plastic food wrap and leave it in the fridge for at least 2 hours or overnight. Allow the short ribs come to room temperature at least 20 minutes before cooking them. I roast the ribs in the superwave oven at 400 Fahrenheit for 3 minutes each side, so the total is 6 minutes. In the meantime, I prepare the cast iron serving plate so the short ribs can stay sizzling hot at serving time. We may leave the cast iron in the oven to stay warm or on the stovetop at the lowest heat. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe to my channel, ring the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up, and leave comment down below. Thank you so much for watching and happy cooking for your loved one. See you guys next time. Chào cả nhà nha.